This video will show you the safest way to get in and out of a car. We'll start with getting into the car. First, risk assess the area. Make sure there's plenty of space around the car and no curbs or uneven ground that could pose a hazard. We recommend the person sits in the front passenger seat as it's the easiest and safest option. Optimize the seat position by reclining it slightly and slide it back to create more legroom. If the seat has a height adjustment, raising it to its maximum height can help someone get in and out more easily. However, this does depend on the height of the person and the clearance of the door opening. Open the door fully to minimize obstruction. The person should carefully move into position and turn so the door opening is behind them. As they back up toward the car, they can use their left hand to hold onto the door frame or the seat for support. Avoid holding the door as it could move. The person then leans forward and sits down onto the seat, being careful not to bump their head on the door frame. You can assist them here if necessary. They then turn around in the seat, bringing their legs into the car one after the other. You can help them lift their legs if they find it difficult. Assist them with their seatbelt if necessary, and then close the door. Now let's look at getting out of the car. To get out of the car, we follow the same process in reverse. Again, make sure that there is plenty of space around the car and that there are no obstructions that could pose a hazard. Open the door as wide as it will go. The person can use the seat or door frame for support as they turn themselves around. They then slowly bring their legs out onto the ground one after the other. You can assist them with this if necessary. The person then shuffles to the edge of the seat, brings their weight forward and stands up, using their left hand on the seat or door frame to push themselves up. Once the person feels stable, you can help them to move safely clear of the door before you close it. It's worth noting that a person may have good muscle memory for certain movements, so let them try getting in and out of the car in their own way first. If they start to have difficulty, then try the techniques shown in this video.